Nearly all of Segovia's earliest Decca records are still in print and still selling. They are bought as his concerts are attended partly by young people who have no other interest in the field of serious music. Indeed, there are not many people who would cross the street, let alone pay money for tickets or records to hear music by most of the composers Segovia plays, if Segovia were not playing it. Some of his programs are made up entirely of obscure contemporary music. Most mainstream scientists remain very skeptical, if not downright hostile, to the idea of freezing a body. Critics are quick to point out that it's entirely uncertain if such technology will ever be developed. Furthermore, cryonics depends on the belief that its patients have not also experienced an information theoretic death of the mind, in addition to a physical one. The parent or caregiver plays an important role in play therapy for children. After conducting an initial intake interview with the parent, when the therapist collects information about the child, and often a separate interview with the child, the therapist can make an assessment prior to beginning treatment. An assessment allows the therapist to decide the best treatment approach for the child. This has been a turbulent decade across the world: protest, austerity, mass migration. The Guardian has been in every corner of the globe, reporting with tenacity, rigor, and authority on the most critical events of our lifetimes. At a time when factual information is both scarcer and more essential than ever, we believe that each of us deserves access to accurate reporting with integrity at its heart. All technologies need a providing period before value can be realized, yet there is also a trend towards promoting ideas which are not proven. A major part of that is not thinking about how humans will use or react to new technology. Driverless cars are not in practical use for daily travel in cities anywhere on Earth yet, but it's claimed they will take over travel in cities. Some also state public transport will lose out as a result since it's not using advanced technology.